Morning guys, Ron back here. It is New Year's Eve 2019 and just giving a small update on the bluebonnets. It is a cold morning, right around freezing. Everything's got a good frost on it. Came up Friday night. Unfortunately, we do not have any bluebonnet sprouts in our beds. At least not the cultivated ones. There were a couple back here on the broadcast, but I think those seeds may have already sprouted before I started, so we'll see. Bluebonnet seeds are pretty hardy. Takes them a while to get the coat done. May have told y'all in the other video that I did soak them for about 24 hours before I planted them a couple of months ago, so we're still going to hold out hope. My fear is that the soil isn't poor enough. Bluebonnets are a pioneer plant. They like to come in, they're a lupine. They like to come in and kind of amend the soil on their own. So we'll just wait and see, and hopefully in a couple of months we'll be able to show you some sprouts up here on a purpose. But in a couple of months, this part right here where the shadow is going across the sunlight next to the mesquite there, that's going to be covered. We have lots of good sprouts over there. So our future front yard will be full of bluebonnets. So until next time, we'll talk at you later.